Hello everyone, welcome to my channel La Vida with Kim, and today guys I have an unboxing and I'm super excited about this one because I have been waiting for this item forever. Like I literally manifested it because it wasn't even like known, you know, it wasn't on the radar. So yes guys, I actually got the crystal card case, the Coach one, that super blingy one, all the crystal things guys I am obsessed with right now. So 𝓵𝓂𝓷'𝓽, Coach dropped their stuff last year, right? And then they've been just dropping bags, guys. And they only had the zip around wallet, right? And I was like, no, I need like a slim card case because the bags I have, the crystal ones, are smaller. And I don't want to be dealing with the zip around wallet because I actually tried it when I went to the Coach store. I tried it in the bags and I don't like how it goes in with the zipper hitting the crystals and everything. I don't like it. So I was like, okay, if they ever drop a card case, I'm going to grab it. And they finally dropped them on Dillards. They have like the long slim wallet as well, but I was like, I want the card case. I'm still thinking about the large wallet, the slim wallet, for like my other Coach bags, like the huge like 𝓭𝓸𝓻 bags, right? I think it'll look gorgeous. I just love the crystals. So for now I got the card case just so I can use it on my crystal bags that I already have. So, and I'm gonna try it in the bag as well just to see how it fits. I hope everything comes out good. I hope the crystals are all intact, same color, because if you know, you know. So yeah, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So the package is here finally. I don't have a Dillards close to me, so I have to order online. The closest Dillards to me is like almost 2 hours away. So yeah, so I only have a choice. And I also want the like medium-sized one. I saw Michelle from 𝓵𝓬𝓷'𝓽 1988. She has it and I was like, oh my god, how did you get it, girl? And she's like, oh, she ordered it from her Dillards. Like I said, I don't have a Dillards close to me, so I'm gonna have to wait until they have it online. But yeah, and I'm waiting on that kiss lock. Oh my gosh guys, I am obsessed. I saw a video as well too. I'll talk about it later. Okay guys, oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. I am obsessed with all this crystal stuff going on right now. Coach, you are doing it, okay? You are doing it. I'm so excited. I've been like stalking the website for that crystal bag. Oh my gosh guys, I could just blab for days. Okay, let's unbox, okay? Because that's why you're here, right? You want to see that card case because it's gonna be so stinking adorbs. Let's unbox. So here is my box. They gave me a huge one for a card case. Like when they're supposed to send you a box, they send you a bag. When they're supposed to send you a bag, they send you a box. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's a package. I got my handy dandy crafty knife. And by the way, I'm sorry I haven't been like on the channel in a while. If you know, I started another channel just for my crafting. Advertisement right now. I just feel like some people are here for unboxings, you know, and other people are here for the crafts. Some people are here for both, but we shall see. I appreciate everybody that already went to check out the channel. I'll link it down below if you didn't know about it yet, so you can go check it out and subscribe while you're there, you know. Might as well, you're already there. So yeah, for my blingy crafting and everything. Okay, so here's the box. Open it up. It's literally the whole box is just paper. Here's the little card case. Oh my god. So here it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Literally the tags are the same size as the card case. How funny. Okay. Please let everything be good on this little card case because I don't want to deal with exchanging and returning and all that. So please. Okay, here goes that. Oh, the tags aren't even on it. Here, let's face it to you so you can see first. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my gosh. She is so gorgeous. Look at that. Side view. Side view. Top. Bottom. Ooh, she is so cute. Oh my gosh. Let's take out, wait, pause. Let me double check everything. Okay, everything seems to be checking out. Let's take off the little paper inserts if I can. One. Guys, I'm so excited about this. Oh my god, I literally been asking for this forever since like the second drop of these crystal bags. I swear, like it's been forever. Okay, it has the little goodies in there. $95 for this card case. Okay, if you didn't know, I'll link the Dillards link as well if you don't have it already. I'm just taking out everything. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys, so this is how it looks inside. I love how it spreads so easily because I always have nails, right? So it's hard for me to dig into compartments sometimes. So I love that I can just kind of squish it like that. It's not going to damage anything because there's no crystals right here. Smart move, because you know it's going to be very bendy. These are iron-on crystals, so they should do good on these items. Just, you know, a little FYI. I know a lot of people are scared to buy these because they're like, the crystals are going to fall off. And they might eventually, you know. Everything that you use that has crystals, it can fall off eventually. You know, it's just part of using an item, you know. It's not meant to last forever. So, yeah. It's just part of it, you know. So, oh my god, just look how beautiful this is. I love it. Oh my gosh. So it has one compartment here, another one here, same thing on the other side, one there, two, and then the middle area. Beautiful. Oh my god, so happy finally. So yeah, now like I said, I want to try it in my bags because I need it. They needed to make this. I don't know what took them so long to make this. She's so cute. So I only have two crystal bags. I have the Soho and regular size, and then I have the Swinger 20. So here is my Soho. Beautiful, beautiful. I just love this bag. Oh my god. Okay, so I don't have the zip around. That's the only one there was. Or oh my god, I have candy in here. Some chocolate and coffee latte C's candy. Oh my god, my fave. I always like to have candy in my bags, but yeah. Okay, let me just put it in here. She goes in smoothly, no problem at all. I know the zip around wallet fits here, but I don't know, I just wasn't feeling that wallet, so I never got it. I don't know. This is what I was asking for. So you can see all the space just with that. Look at that. You still have so much space. This takes no space up at all. Beautiful. Perfect. I love it. Next, I have my Swinger 20. This is a smaller one because I know there was a bigger one that I wish I could have got too, but I didn't know. That was like the first crystal drop ever, and I didn't know about it. I didn't really like care for these bags, but now I'm like loving the small bags. So again, I did try the zip around one in here when I went to the store. I didn't like how it fit because it scrapes too much. With this one, you have more space, you know, so you can hear a little bit scraping, but it's not as bad as the zip around wallet. So space wise, look at that. It's in there. I still have all that space there. Better view. Look at that. So yeah, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Finally, I have like matchy my wallets and stuff never match. Like, I see so many videos of girls that do like what's in my bag and everything's all matchy and cute and everything, and then there's mines, and mines are just like all over the place. Nothing ever matches. So yeah, I'm so happy I finally got it. So yeah, oh my god, I love it. Are you gonna go get it? Are you waiting for yours? Did you already get it? Because they dropped like what, last week, 2 weeks ago? I don't even know, but I just got mine in the mail. I love it. like I said, I'm still thinking about the large wallet for my large bags and the medium-sized one that I saw Michelle had. Oh my god, it's so cute. You're so lucky, girl. So yeah, I don't know, or I might just get them all, I don't know, except the zip around one. So yeah, and that kiss lock, oh my god, I freaking love it. It's so cute. I don't want the large kiss lock, which Dillards actually took off their website. I don't know why, but guys, I'm like a little bit behind the 𝓲𝓻𝓰 and the updates and stuff because I don't have TikTok, and I feel like that's where everybody's at, right, with the updates and stuff. So yeah, I don't know what's going on half the time, but all I know is that I couldn't get that large kiss lock because it's too big. Guys, I'm 4'11", okay, so that bag on me is gonna look like luggage, okay, so I can't get that one. It looks beautiful and I've seen videos of it and it's gorgeous, but it's just not gonna work with me. So I'm waiting for the small kiss lock that I feel like everybody's waiting for. So I hope I get it. I hope you get it if you do want it too. Go ahead and grab your card case if you want it. She is so gorgeous. Oh my god, look at that. I love her. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Finally, coach, you did it. You're on it. You are winning right now. I love it. So yeah, let me know what you think. What are you waiting for? Are you grabbing anything from the crystal collections? I'm just loving it all. Crystal and bags, guys, what gets better than that, right? So yeah, this channel is going to be more focusing on like unboxings now that I have my new channel for DIYs. So I hope you guys are here for it. Let me know what you think. Go subscribe to my other channel. I'm not gonna be promoting it all the time because I don't want to annoy you guys. So if you guys are interested, go check it out. If you're not, it's all good, you know, stay over here. And I appreciate you watching today, you know. So I'm just telling you guys today because it's my first video since I started the other channel. So I'm not gonna be bothering you guys all the time, you know. Don't worry about it. If you're not there for it, it's all good. Stay here. It's all good, you know. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you're grabbing. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have or not. If you already did, thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.